Animals and their baby. Dog. Puppy. Dog young one is called puppy. Cat. Kitten. Cat's young one is called kitten. Pig. Piglet. Pig young one is called piglet. Hen. Chick. Hen young one is called chick. Goat. Kid. Goat young one is called kid. Duck. Duckling. Duck young one is called duckling. Elephant. Calf. Elephant young one is called calf. Cow. Calf. Cow young one is called calf. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep young one is called lamb.
Please subscribe to Fantastic Learners if you've not done already. Thank you.
Horse. Foal. Horse young one is called foal. Kangaroo. Joey. Kangaroo young one is called joey. Rabbit. Kit. Rabbit young one is called kit. Frog. Tadpole. Frog young one is called tadpole. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Butterfly young one is called caterpillar. Tiger. Cub. Tiger young one is called cub. Giraffe. Calf. Giraffe young one is called calf. Lion. Cub. Lion young one is called cub. Deer. Fawn. Deer young one is called fawn. Owl. Owlet. Owl young one is called owlet. Donkey. Foal. Donkey young one is called foal.
Thanks for watching. Fantastic Learners.